today I'm at Burlington. Okay, let's quickly see what they have here. All right, I am looking at this bag. Yeah, this will be perfect for traveling. It's puffy, and also this is actually backpack. Look, you can do top handle. This will be perfect for laptop actually. Yeah, interior padded pocket. This will fit most laptops. Very good. And this one is $22.99. Okay, and here is this bag. This will be good for the gym. I love the size. And the color is good as well. Very good. And this one is $24.99. If you don't carry much to the gym, that will be perfect. And here is a good crossbody bag. Very simple. And this one is 14. This is the same bag we saw. Yeah, same price, same size. Yeah, different color. Here is another olive green backpack. This is $21.99. Very good. And here is another one. This one is $12.99. Very good. And here we have this bag. Very small, simple top handle and crossbody bag. This one is by West for $22.99. Good, 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 good. I'll say I'm not always lucky with handbags. See, this place is literally empty. Okay, next time we may be lucky. Okay, look at this. I'm looking at this structured bag. It's big and nicely made. This one is by London Fork for $24.99. The color is good, the quality is good as well. And here we have this one. This is more like a bookable kind of bag. This with this V at the front for $21.99. Not bad, okay? Yeah. And here is this one by Nautica. Yeah, okay, for $24.99. And more bags. Look at this, very good. And here, this is all they have here. Everywhere is literally empty because, yeah, on a good day, this place will be completely packed with handbags. Here, I like this color for $21.99. Good, 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 good shoulder bag. This is by Anna Klein. The color is so good. The quality is good. The leather is good as well. This is $27.99. Another one by Anna Klein, top handle crossbody bag. And this is $22.99. Oh, hot pinks. Beautiful. If you are a pinky girl, look at this. It's available in the store for $12.99. Good, good, good. More bags. Okay, I love these. This looks so good. I love the leather. It's slutty. I love it for $21.99. Down here is another one by West. The structure is good. West, yeah, we are actually sleeping. This brand don't play for $19.99. And here is this one. This is a transparent big backpack by Maiden Go. Let's pick the price. This one store price is $24.99. Not bad, not bad, not bad. It's good if you ask me. It is good. Okay. Yeah. Let's go to behind is another. Look at this one. This is by West as well. $29.99. West. They are representing today. $27.99. West. Good tote bag for $26.99. Okay, this is Anna Klein for $27.99. And this, oh, I love this color. This is so good. This one is $21.99. Let's check behind. Yeah. Oh, look at this. Yeah. This will be perfect for the gym. If you carry much to the gym, this is the right size for you. This is $35. Oh, look at these big bags. It's so unique. If you're tall, you will like this one. The leather is so good for just 19.99. It's nicely made. I love this. Let me try this and see where this will hit on me. This actually may be for me. Okay, I will take this and see how it looks like, what it looks like on me in the mirror. And also look at this suede London Fog bag. We are all about suede this year. Okay, yeah, this season. Okay, I would like to try on this. I'll come back. I would like to try this bag and also this one. I'll take them to the mirror and see what they look like on me. Okay, they are affordable for 19.99. You can never go wrong. Here is the shoulder bag we saw before. Yeah, this is the black color by Anna Klein. Oh, this is interesting tie-dye backpack. Your high schooler will thank you for this. Was $22.99. And here is this one by Bebe for 19.99. Okay, let me take you to. Okay, look at this. Ooh. Okay, yeah, no store price. I love this back part. I love the structure. This is $69.99. Good, good, good. Okay, let's check out what they have here. I can see they have new watches in the store. The last time I was here, these are not here. This is very good. The color is given by US Polio. And this one is by Anna Klein. Yeah, we are doing more of vintage watches this year. This one is 19.99. If I see something good, I wouldn't mind. This is by Narwhals. Should I go for this? This is we are mixing metals this year as well. I've been seeing that a lot. Okay, this one is gold and silver. It's not bad if you ask me. Let me check. This one is 19.99 by Nightwest. This is cool if you ask me. Here we have another one by Anna Klein. Okay, and this is $24.99. And more watches. Okay, I am likely to do. I like this one better. And more watches. And here we have this one. I love the inside is white, but the numbers are too bold for my liking. But yeah, we'll see. Let me come back to these. Okay, and let me show you something similar. Here is another one. Yeah, I like how this one looks on the inside more. Okay, I like this one. This is $24.99. Good, good, good. Okay. I think we should be good with this too. And here more. We have these bracelets, and this looks so good as well. Okay. Yeah. And we have this necklace. Nicely layered, 16, 18, 22 plus 2. That is this earrings. Very good by Guess. This is how much? Let's see. The store price is not on this one. Okay, this is $9.99. Good, good, good. And here we have this interesting necklace and earrings. Very good. And this is $7.99. Okay. Okay, look at this. I looked for something like this the last time I was in the store. But they have good stores for $7.99. Good, good, good. This looks so good. I love this one. And look at this. Oh, so good. All right, I'll end this video here. If you made it to this point, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye for now.